Welcome to the room tour for Norwegian Prima's balcony room. The Prima class ships are some of the newer ships in the Norwegian cruise line. We've been on a few others, and we have to say that the Prima rooms are our favorite by far. They're large, they're bright, they have awesome artwork. That's just beautiful and calming all at the same time. Not to mention the beds are very comfortable, and my husband and I are bed snobs. What we also like about these rooms, there's plenty of outlets, and even next to the bed. We'll get to the storage later. My traveling companion is over 6 feet tall, so having a larger bathroom was a huge benefit for us. Not only were we avoiding the whole elbowing while getting ready in the bathroom, but the showers are massive. Now back to those closets. Plenty of storage space. We had a his and hers closet and then extra shelves. They have these little wire baskets that pull out at the bottoms. I liked this better because I could see what was in there instead of did I leave a sock behind? The room comes with a mini fridge. Ours was empty, thankfully. There was some water. But it helped us to store a few things if we wanted to bring them back from the buffet, knowing that we weren't going to want to get up early in the morning to grab something. So it just gave us a little snack like a muffin or some juice. Now the balcony is where it's really at. These chairs were so comfortable, and there was plenty of space for 2 people to play a game of cards or have your breakfast out on the balcony. This was deck 9, so it was right above the main deck that goes around the ship. We didn't have any issues with noises, and we were above a restaurant. Would we go back on Norwegian Prima? Yeah, I think we would. And we're not ones to repeat the same ship over. So we'd highly recommend a balcony room. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this one, check out our others. And don't forget to hit subscribe and the like button. Thanks.